Hello, you are welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you practically how you can create your own YouTube channel with your smartphone. Before you can be able to create your own YouTube channel, you must make sure that you have a working email address. If you don't have an email address, please go and create one and set it up on your phone. Then when that is done, you go to Play Store. If you don't have a YouTube app in your phone, make sure that you go to the Play Store and install it. Then when that is done, you now click on the YouTube app. You click on it to open. Then since an email is already set up in your phone, on the top right here, you can see an icon. Let me show you. You can see an icon that carries the first letter of your name. All you need to do is to click on it. Then when you click on it, it will open. Now you can see your full name. This is my full name, and this is my email address, savicdigitaltech@gmail.com. That's why I say that you must have a working email address that's already set up in your phone, because if it is already set up, automatically it's going to appear here. So your full name will show here and your email address will also show here. Then let me show you how you can create your own YouTube channel now. And below it, you can see your channel. So all you need to do is to click on it. Then when you click on it, this is what you're going to see: your name and your handle. This name can be edited. So if you don't want to use your full name, if you don't want to use your name, you can edit it here. You can use any name of your choice. Then this is your handle. So this handle can also be edited. So I want to use this. This is my name and this is my handle. So how do I create my channel? Now you can see here, you can see create channel. So all you need to do is to click on it and your channel will be created. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I drop a similar video, you receive an alert. Thanks for watching.